Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn trigonometry basics together, step by step. Right triangle trig on the SAT comes down to three ratios, remembered as SOHCAHTOA. Sine of the angle equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent equals opposite over adjacent. The opposite side is across from your angle, the hypotenuse is the longest side, and the adjacent is the remaining leg next to your angle. In any right triangle, the two non-right angles add to 90 degrees, so they're complementary. That gives a slick identity the SAT tests over and over. The sine of one angle equals the cosine of its complement. In symbols, sine of theta equals cosine of 90 minus theta. If a question gives you sine of x and asks for cosine of 90 minus x, they're the same value. A right triangle has the side opposite angle theta equal to 6, and the adjacent side equal to 8. First find the hypotenuse. Root of 6 squared plus 8 squared is root 100, which is 10. Now apply SOHCAHTOA. Sine theta is 6 over 10, or 3/5. Cosine theta is 8 over 10, or 4/5. And tangent theta is 6 over 8, which simplifies to 3/4. Here's the classic SAT identity question. You're told sine of x degrees equals 5/13 and asked for cosine of 90 minus x degrees. Don't draw anything, just use the rule. Sine of an angle equals cosine of its complement, so cosine of 90 minus x equals sine of x. That means the answer is exactly 5/13. No triangle needed. Here are your trig essentials. 1. Use SOHCAHTOA for sine, cosine, and tangent. 2. If a side is missing, find it with the Pythagorean theorem first. 3. Remember sine of theta equals cosine of 90 minus theta. That complementary angle shortcut is a guaranteed SAT point. And 4. Always label opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse before you write a ratio. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.